We really need this. Really need that. Oh, look at that mag. Dude, look at the fucking fake mag. It's got bullets in it. Oh, they spray painted this too. Sick, sick. All right.
Hey, see what you could have if you have this one gold. You could have some American fucking hype beast shit.
All right, tight. All right, let's go load this thing up. Military units to upkeep gas blowbacks. In fact, for them to maintain a full fleet of training rifles, they would have to make a completely new job specifically for one guy to upkeep all of the gas blowback guns. So that way when they need them for training, they actually work. With the AEG, the trainers can simply slap the batteries in, load a bunch of mid-cap magazines or high caps, and immediately start getting into classes and not having to stop every 2 minutes.